Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of August, 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin today because I just thought about something and I saw an article that brought the point. Once the Bitcoin ETF is approved, that it may cause a short-term rally and then price will collapse. What do you think about that? Could it happen? Do you think it will happen? I mean, there is a cryptocurrency that recently went through some type of news event to where the market immediately shot up and then it came all the way right back down. If you guys been seeing my channel, you probably already know what it is. It is XRP, right? And it's just been waiting years since the SEC sued Ripple to try to determine if XRP is a security or not, right? And then once the answer was, or the decision was delivered from the courts, look at what happened to XRP's price, right? Market ran up. And soon after that result was released, look at what happened to the price in XRP, right? So, I mean, what could it happen in Bitcoin? Because now the pressure is being accumulated, is being built up because the market is anticipating eventually some type of spot ETF, Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved. We have a lot of people, a lot of businesses and entities with their hats in the ring trying to be the first one to get this approval from the SEC. Many people think it's going to be a great thing, maybe for a short term, and then eventually it's going to settle back down to where Bitcoin will continue to go lower in price. What do you all think? What is the likelihood of that? I mean, we already saw one instance with XRP, and this Bitcoin ETF has gone on for years of many people trying to get an approval with no success right now. So just imagine what will happen to Bitcoin's price once the approval happens. You guys can see real quick that the price action in Bitcoin hasn't been great. I mean, the market has gone down seemingly ever since the high of July the 13th, 2023. And my current price prediction is for Bitcoin to continue to do just that. And as I zoom out, I want to show you how we can tell that the price action in Bitcoin is still weak. Okay. You guys can still tell. All I had to do was create a trend line into the market in Bitcoin. You guys can see it was doing great for the whole of 2023 with keeping in line with this trend line until it fell below it. That's one key reason as to how you can tell how the majority of the market participants are thinking. That's one reason why we're still here plaguing that the weakness into the market in Bitcoin is still there. So far, we haven't really seen too much in terms of price movement. The market is still hovering slightly below $26,000. Take a look at Bitcoin on a 3-day chart. Really just wanted to come in and show you, has anything changed in regards to where Bitcoin is anticipated to go? That 3-day price bar still shows me that there's still sellers into the market. Here it is on the 5-day. Not too bad on the 5 days. Very good to see buyers hold the market in Bitcoin here. Okay, look at this. So this is a crucial price for the market in Bitcoin to come in and hold. I'm not sure if that's one of my targets. You have to go back and see my prior video on the 18th of August to see if it was. But currently you can see that this is where buyers are at. Here it is on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. From a 2-weekly chart, I'm not suspecting that price is going to hold here at $25,000. It looked like the market is going to try to go a little bit lower than that. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Same thing here on the 3-weekly chart. I'm not too confident that the market's going to hold $25,000 right now. And here it is on the 5. Conclusion of this trading week would definitely give us a heads up as to whether or not the market's going to hold $25,000 or not. It's just that simple. Okay, so that could be the first reason why on the daily time frame we haven't seen market really move in Bitcoin. It's because the buyers are trying to come in and hold $25,000 right here. Okay. So, since you can tell on the daily chart that we are sitting in profit, there's nothing wrong with coming in and skimming off some of this money. 2% right now if you were to get out the market in Bitcoin here. Because like I said, from a 2-weekly, 3-weekly, and maybe on the 5-weekly chart, this price in Bitcoin is definitely still weak. So let me create this line here. And I just want to use this as a reference that we could possibly see the market hold support at $25,200, $25,000 or so. And that's it. Now it's your turn. Give me your thoughts. What do you think about the Bitcoin ETF approval? Will the market rocket up and then land back down? Or will it sustain the route and continue to shoot higher and higher and higher back up to $70,000? Hit me up and tell me. Give me your thoughts. Also, before you go, hit the like button because I want you all to get this information as soon as possible. Whenever I create my content, I want to be one of the first ones to see it because market is ever moving, it's ever changing, and I want you guys to get the latest information. Hit the like button, also subscribe, make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, try different.